Did you ever feel like you want to escape the heat and just stay cool? Introducing CoolingStyle, a portable, multifunctional air conditioner that lets you stay cool wherever you go. Not only is it easy and comfortable to use for everyone, but also light, quiet, and loaded with cool features. CoolingStyle can be used with a standard power plug, a car charging adapter, or the included battery. You can manually adjust the fan speed and cooling settings in order to adapt to any situation and enjoy big cooling power in tiny size. There are 2 USB charging ports included and a powerful LED light that can even be turned into an SOS mode. Furthermore, it features an ultrasonic mosquito repellent that helps you get rid of mosquitoes wherever you are. CoolingStyle works indoor and outdoor and is really the perfect device for any situation. Use it when camping, in tents, in caravans, cottages, in your winter garden, at the beach, in your car, or for your pet. On hot days, you can even bring it to work. Thanks to its economic design and the rotary compressor system, with environment-friendly R134A refrigerant, it's not only very quiet, but also offers a high efficiency ratio. CoolingStyle is an innovative product for everyone. Cool features and latest cooling technology packed into a stylish design, lightweight and easy to use. Our team has been working very passionately over the past 2 years to develop and test this new type of portable air conditioner, and now we need your support to bring it to the market. So please join us and let's stay cool together wherever you go with CoolingStyle.
The DeLonghi Whisper Cool Pinguino Portable Air Conditioner offers powerful, all-season comfort control in any indoor environment. Cool rooms up to 600 square feet with a simple, no-tools-required setup. This powerful unit offers 14,000 BTUs for quick relief from the summer heat. For optimal efficiency, run the unit to cool the room, then switch to Whisper Cool mode at night to ensure quiet operation while sleeping or watching TV. Innovative real-feel technology continuously balances the humidity and temperature, guaranteeing a high level of comfort. Over 4,000 watts of heating power takes the chill out of cool mornings and evenings. The easy-to-use soft touch control panel offers 3 fan speeds, a digital timer, and thermostat. The full-function remote mimics the control panel, including a large display to monitor settings. The portable, compact design makes it easy to move from room to room. Exclusive no-leak technology efficiently cools the unit by recirculating excess moisture collected during cooling with no water tank to empty. The BioSilver air filter traps dust and particles and prevents mold, mildew, and bacteria from growing on the filter, keeping unwanted odors out of the room. And it comes with an included cover and accessory bag, which allows for neat and easy storage. Ease the burden of seasonal heat or supplement airflow in a stuffy room with the Whisper Cool Pinguino portable air conditioner.